Good morning, North Tahoe High, a physicist. I hope you are all doing well as we're moving through this COVID-19 distance learning. Hey, I'm in the phase of trying to find some stuff that's more interactive as we're in the long haul for this finishing physics here. And that's what part of what yesterday was about. Yesterday's post, you were asked to sign on and give an account for positive physics. If you haven't done that, please do that. We won't use it every day, but I think it's a real nice way to solve some basic problems and to demonstrate your learning. It's still in development, so it's kind of crude, at least from a teacher's perspective, but the problems that I have seen working are pretty good. So do this first and follow this material. Today I want you to use that, and today we're really going to test it. I want to see what I get from a teacher's perspective. And your assignment is this: hey, watch this video. You're doing it right now, hopefully. Use positive physics to navigate your way to Unit 17 mechanical waves. See yesterday if you haven't set up an account yet. Complete the 12 vocabulary and concept questions. Use your notes and resources. So again, this is something that I don't know exactly what students are seeing when they have this positive physics account yet. Still in development. But I want you to navigate your way to Unit 17, mechanical waves. And we're going to experiment with stuff that should be reviewed at this point. There shouldn't be a lot of new material in this. And I want you to do this: vocabulary and concepts. There should be 12 total questions involved. I think they're all multiple choice. I want to see, A, what do you know about this? I think a lot of the stuff is basic. Use your notes and you'll do well. And I also want to see how it reports this. This will tell you, out of the 12, how many you've done. This will give you an idea of how accurate you are. Are you getting them right or not? And for today, I'm not real concerned with the accuracy. I'd like to see some knowledge, but don't worry as we try out positive physics if your accuracy is a little lower than you're comfortable with, right? The only other thing I want you to do today is to go on to Aries. You're going to probably have a lot of teachers doing this in the last few days or today, and fill out the grade reflection sheet to be shared for tomorrow's conference night. So tomorrow we are going to try to do via Zoom a conference night with parents. And it would be really nice to show them that, hey, you're self-advocating during this. You're keeping track and you understand what your progress and what it looks like. Fill out this self-reflection sheet so I can give them some feedback and let them know, hey, they're participating. That's a big deal in and of itself. All right, if you have questions, email me. I hope to see or hear from you soon. Have a good day, guys.